Hello, OB Fit and Mega Ace Challengers. Thais here with another tutorial for you. Okay, so this one is to help you all to be at ease when you download the NRC app and you are awaiting an invite. So you're just going to start your runs. Now remember, your runs are your walk, jog, and runs. Nike calls them runs, so we'll call them runs. You're going to go ahead, do your runs. Do your runs every day, multiple times a day, whatever. When you are sent your invite, then I'm going to show you how your miles that you've accumulated are going to transfer over to the OB Fit Mega Ace Challenge that you choose. Okay, so let's look at mine for an example. It's the middle of the month. I downloaded the app at the beginning of the month, and I am just seeing that I have challenges. So I'm going to go to my challenges. Click on challenges. And I see my invitations from OB Fit Mega Ace July challenges. I only see 3, but I've been hearing that there are 5. So what you want to do is click on View All. And that was in the upper right hand corner on my phone. I am using a Samsung. I believe it's in the same area for the Apple. All right, so here you'll see all of your invitations from OB Fit Mega Ace. Mine is out of order. I don't know why NRC does that, but it's okay. So I have the July 100 mile challenge, 150, 30, 45, and 60. We only want you to choose one challenge, something that is going to actually challenge you. I know for me, I'm not much of a walker. The 60-mile challenge is going to challenge me. So I'm going to click on 60. And I also want you to notice that I have 18 days remaining. This challenge started July 1st. And I've been using the app since July 1st, but for whatever reason, let's just say, I was just sent the invitation. So I'm going to click on 60-mile challenge. And it says Vaughn Wilson has invited you to the OB Fit Mega Ace July 60-mile challenge. That started on July 1st. It's the middle of the month already. And again, I have been using the app. I'm going to hit accept. And it says that I have accepted the challenge. And since the 1st of July, I have done 21.46 miles. So my 21.46 miles transferred over to the challenge that I accepted. So stay encouraged. Just remember, when you download the app, just start using it right then, and then you'll be sent the invite. So it doesn't matter when you're actually sent the invites, as long as you are doing your miles using the NRC app, they will transfer over. So I get to see where I am at right now. I am 272. I'm going to fix that. I'm going to go out now. Okay, so thank you. It's been wonderful. I hope you get it. Enjoy. See you on the pavement. Remember, it's your race and your pace.